What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about how to try the new Outlook toggle using a GPO. So let's get right into it. All right, so before we get into the group policy management to create our GPO to push this out to all of our machines, we need to get the latest and greatest Office GPO templates, right? So first thing that we need to do is get into this particular website. Now, once you're here, we are going to locate the download button and we are going to click on it. Have two flavors, 86 and 64. I am going to select the 64 one. Once I select the 64 one, I am going to click on download. Depending on your browser, I am using Chrome. So on the upper right hand side, it is going to download and I am able to click on the folder, that little icon, to open up the downloads folder. Awesome. We're going to select our exe file. We're going to right click on it and we are going to select run as an administrator. Beautiful. We're going to check off, click here to accept the Microsoft software license terms. Once you do that, let's click on continue. We're going to drop it somewhere. So I am actually going to drop it into my downloads folder. Once I select the downloads folder, I'm going to click on OK. And you're going to get a nice little dialog box stating files extracted successfully. Click OK. Now, so this is everything that was extracted, an admin folder and also a ADMX folder, as well as a spreadsheet with all the new settings. Now we're going to select the ADMX folder. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to select open. Now within here, I am going to select everything that has an extension of ADMX and I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to copy it. Now, I'm going to right click on the start menu. I'm going to go to run, and within run, I am going to type in // DC, which is my domain controller, 01, and I'm going to hit enter. It's going to open up. Awesome. I'm going to go into the system volume folder. From here, I'm going to double click on my domain and I'm going to go into policies and we're going to locate the policy definitions folder. So I'm going to right click on that folder and I'm going to select open. Within here, let's control V to paste everything that we copied. Bam. Awesome. Let's head back into our downloads folder where the ADMX folder is located. And we are going to locate our language. For me, it is ENUS. So I'm going to double click on that because it is the English folder. We need to copy the language files for our ADMX file. So select all of them, right click on it, and click on copy. Once you click on copy, head back into your policy definitions folder and go up until you find your English folder or whatever language you have. I'm going to right click on that folder. I'm going to select open. And within here, I am going to paste those ADML files in there. Let's close all this up. Now it is time for us to create our group policy. So let's click on the start menu. Within here, I am going to open up the Windows Administrative Tools folder. Within here, we're going to click on the group policy management. It's going to open up. I am going to double click on my forests. I'm going to double click on my domains folder. I'm going to double click and open up my domain. And within here, I am going to double click and open up the group policy objects. I like to start here first. I'm going to right click on this folder and I am going to select new. Let's give it a name. This is the name that I'm going to enter. User, because it is going to tackle the user configuration section. And this is the name. So let's click OK. I'm going to select our new GPO. We're going to right click on it. We're going to select edit. And within here, we're going to go into the user configuration node. We're going to double click on policies. We're going to double click on administrative templates. And we're going to locate and double click on Microsoft Outlook 2016. Awesome. Now within here, we're going to go into the Outlook options. So double click on that folder. Now within this folder, we're going to locate other. So double click on it. And within other, and there goes our setting, try the new Outlook toggle in Outlook, right? Double click on it. We're going to enable it. We're going to click apply and we're going to click OK. And we're going to close our GPO. Now, next thing that we need to do is link this GPO to an OU. So I'm going to select my workstation's OU. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to select link an existing GPO. and select our new GPO and then click OK. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.